Good day, everyone. I'm Paulina Tiastra, and this is my Ariba journey. For, for my launch page, we have here our patron saint, Saint Joseph Lima, and this is my BSF family. This is our father and mother, my brothers and sisters, and this is our group presentation for our saint. I also have here our Silo 1 and 2 summary. Moving on to the Silo 1. In our Silo 1, we have my Laudare, which is our prayer. And also a video of me reciting the prayer. For my Benedicere, this is our podcast with my busy family. And for my Predicare, this is my Module 1 Master Quiz certificate. And lastly, for Silo 1, my reflection. I realized that it's not about grand gestures, but about living out my faith in every moment. Being a missionary is found in how I interact with others through kindness, patience, and understanding in daily life. It's also about learning from others and staying consistent in my faith, not just during special events, but every actions I take. My role as a missionary is evolving, and I don't need to do everything perfectly, but simply be present in it and authentic in each time. I pray for the grace to respond to God's call with unwilling heart, knowing that every small act of service is part of His larger mission. Moving on to the Silo 2, for my Laudare, I have here the seven lights of justice. Each life is precious, each heart divine. Respect for all, in love we shine. Together we stand in love and grace, building a world as a shared space. With rights come duties, fair and true, to serve, to care for me and you. To the poor our hearts must turn, for justice compassion must burn. Work is noble, work is good, for fair wages as we should. United we stand, hand in hand, in peace we stand, we make we make our stand. The earth is sacred, a gift to protect. In God's creation, we must reflect. Seven lights together, in justice and love, we must abide. And for my Benedicere, this one, it's not available for a while. It's for a Predicare. I have here the Master's Certificate. And lastly, for my self-reflection, this module has been a great learning experience. I gained a deeper understanding of Catholic social teaching, especially themes like the dignity of world, workers' rights, and care for creation. I felt confident in expressing these ideas creatively, like through the poem I wrote, and realized I'm good at breaking down complex concepts into clear thoughts. However, I struggled a bit with time management as I wanted to make sure every task was well done. And, and moving on to the Silo 3, this is for my Laudare. Lord of justice and compassion, I lift to you the victims of injustice and violence. In a world where silence often replaces truth, I was hoping you would give me peace and give me the courage to speak, to stand for what is right, and to defend the dignity of every human life. Forgive us for our silence and indifferences. Help us help us choose truth over comfort and peace rooted in justice over fear. May your love guide our actions, and may we become instruments of your mercy in a world longing for healing and hope. And for my benediction, this is also a podcast. For my predicare, this is my masterpiece certificate. And lastly, my reflection for Silo 3. In this module, I'll learn to apply the C-Judge Act method with Catholic social teachings to analyze social issues thoughtfully. I manage well in discussions and group tasks like the Laudare prayer and benedictory video. I discovered strengths in critical thinking, but need to improve on turning ideas into actions and expressing my thoughts clearly. Overall, the module inspired me to be more proactive in creating positive changes. In Silo 4, this is my Laudare. As a follower of Christ, as a follower of Christ and inspired by the Dominican spirit of truth and compassion, I commit myself to being an active promoter of justice and peace in my daily life. I will stand for the dignity of every human person, especially the poor, the voiceless, and the oppressed. I will seek truth through study, reflection, and honest dialogue, and use that as I learn to build a more just society. I will care for Christ's creation, recognize that ecological justice is deeply connected to human dignity. I will live in solidarity with others, choosing compassion over indifferences and service over selfishness. I will and engage in actions that protect human rights, promote the common good, and uphold the values of the gospel. With the God's grace, I will be a witness of hope, peace, and justice wherever I am called to serve. And for our benedicere, this is our real. This is my reels with my BEC family. For predicare, this is my masterpiece certificate. And for my reflection in this module, I'll learn to connect social teachings and historical lessons to my advocacy for equality, especially for marginalized groups. I strengthen my critical thinking and ability to apply theory to practice, while I manage to analyze complex issues well. I struggle with time management and deep reflection. Despite challenges, I stayed focused and committed to understanding the deeper connections between ideas and real-world impact. And lastly, for our Silo 5, this is my Laudare. Before before the pinning start, this is a picture during the pinning ceremony, and this is my video during the pinning.